JoAnn craft store. So I'm going to flip the camera around. I just got here and I want to show you the new goddess collection. It is live. It is set in the store here in Quakertown, Pennsylvania. Let's go take a walk. Okay, so just walking on through JoAnn's. Got some fall stuff in the front. Making our way over to the jewelry department. Like I said, I'm in Quakertown right now. And here's the jewelry section at JoAnn's. And let me just take a little walk around this tower. Oh my gosh, here we are. Jesse James Beads Goddess Collection right here, live and alive at JoAnn Fabrics. So I'm in Quakertown, Pennsylvania. This is really close to our hometown, so they got the collection really quick. If you're over in California, it might take them a little bit towards the end of this week to set it in their stores. Eek, Marisol, that's right. Hi, Patrina. Hi, Dale. Hi, Angie. Hey, Janine. So yeah, here's the collection in the stores. Let's just take a quick little pan down to see all the beautiful, beautiful beads from Jesse James here at JoAnn's in Quakertown. Oh my gosh, the goddess collection is so gorgeous. There's information about all of these goddesses and these 12 ancient mythologies from all around the world, of which this collection was inspired by, at the jessijamesbeads.com website. You can shop in person here at JoAnn's, at your local JoAnn's store. The collection's set at 653 stores. So 653 of their 800 and some stores will have the Jesse James Goddess Collection. And if there isn't a store near you that has it, don't worry, you can get it from jessijamesbeads.com, but we know you guys love to shop in person. So that's why we're really excited to be part of JoAnn's bead department. So thank you to the JoAnn buyers for including this line on your tower. And I know that our fans are going to be so excited to come and make a purchase from the shop, or come online, jessijamesbeads.com, and check out what we've got going on there. Yay! So guys, you're going to have to tell us what your favorite goddess is. Someone here in Quakertown must have liked Pele, because you can see right here, Pele, our Hawaiian goddess of fire. One of Pele's strand number 2 is completely gone. And the collection just set. So guys, every store, every JoAnn's has just 3 units in the store, and then it's gone. This is an in and out program. That's what we call it, industry terms. So if you want to shop in person, make sure you go to JoAnn's, call your shop, see if it's set up yet. If they don't have it, then you can come visit us at jessijamesbeads.com, and you know we'll ship your order out fast, because that's what we like to do. Oh my gosh, the Mayan goddess. At Bead Fest just this past weekend, this was our top selling bead mix, and you can see why. All these beautiful, beautiful colors, fall hues, funky cobra pendant in there, beautiful Tibetan style bead. In the back, we've got some printed howlite howlite natural turquoise coins. This collection is so exciting. I'm literally kneeling on the ground right now at JoAnn's to give you guys this pan up view. Yeah, this is great. This is my first time seeing it live right here. Terry Wagner says that they can use coupons at JoAnn's. That's true. Hi, Lisa. Hi, Carmen. Oh, yay. So we're really excited about this collection. This is the Jesse James Goddess Collection, inspired by 12 ancient mythologies from all around the world. Here's our Indian Hindu goddess collection with the bright pinks and oranges, little elephant beads inside the mini mix, Hamsa hand charm, and some really cool funky clay boho beads, beautiful little tassels. Then you have the large size mix, which have another enameled Hamsa hand. All of our metals are lead-free, nickel-free, cadmium-free, completely safe for sensitive skin. Ah, look at that faux cinnabar elephant that's in this mix. I'm telling you guys, this is such a beautiful, beautiful collection. There's no repeats of beads with the 2 strands, the mini mix and the large size mix. And there are, let's see, 48 pieces to choose from in this beautiful, beautiful collection here on the tower at JoAnn Fabric and Craft Stores in their jewelry department. Yay, thank you so much for the love, guys. Our Slavic goddess right here. Beautiful, beautiful colors. This color palette is so lovely for the fall. Really excited about this. Here we have Fortuna, the Roman goddess of fortune from the ancient Roman mythology. Love this strand number 2 with these very pillar column looking ceramic beads. Really just gives the feeling of the Roman Empire and just everything that we saw back in ancient Italian culture. And then just coming up here a little bit further, look, we've got jewelry designs from our guy Nilay Patel right up here in JoAnn fabric stores. And these are made using the beautiful goddess beads that you see here at the JoAnn's fabric store. I've said that probably 5 times already, but I'll say it again. And we'll make sure that we get how-tos for these projects posted up to the Jesse James Learning blog so you guys can make these super, super cool pieces on your own at home. Yay, thanks so much for all the love, guys. So, Joanna wants to know if JoAnn's will be carrying Jesse James beads now. Well, if the collection goes well, hopefully they'll bring us back for another one. So go out to your JoAnn's, show us some support. Thank you so much for coming out here on Facebook and hanging out with me. It's late right now. Been working a long day today, but really happy to be here with you guys, and I'm just elated to see this collection here at JoAnn's. So thank you again for taking a minute to hang out with me tonight. I hope you're having a lovely evening, and I wish you a beautiful Wednesday tomorrow. Okay, take care. Bye. Yay, one more look before we go. All right, guys, that's it for me. Good night.